The temporoparietal cortex is located over Tp3 point. This point may be helpful in treatment of auditory hallucinations. Make the first circumferential measurement between the nasion, the point between the nose and the forehead, and the inion, the most prominent tuber on the back of the skull. In our case, this distance is 32 centimeters. Along this line, mark 3 points. The first one, CZ point, that lies right at the middle of this line, or at the distance of 16 centimeters from the inion or from the nasion. Mark CZ, and then look for the FPZ point, that lies 10% up from the nasion. So in our case, that means 3.2 centimeters up. And the last one, OZ point, that lies 10% up from the inion. So in our case, that's gonna be 3.2 centimeters up, and mark OZ. Then make another circumferential measurement, but in the coronal plane, from the left to the right preauricular points through CZ point. This distance is 34 centimeters. Along this line, mark 2 points. The first one, C3 point, that lies 20% left from CZ point. That means in our cases 6.8 centimeters. 6.8 centimeters left from CZ. And mark C3 point. The second point is T3. T3 lies 10% up from the left tragus. In our case, 10% equals 3.4 centimeters. Then measure the distance between FPZ and OZ. 33 point. This distance is 28 centimeters. Along this line, mark O1 point, that lies 10% left from OZ. 10% left equals 2.8 centimeters. Mark O1 point. Then the point of P3 lies right in the middle between C3 and O1 point. Measure the distance between them and mark P3 point. TP3 point lies right between the P3 and T3 point. Mark TP3 point.